Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is an approved center of ICTQual AB, and we're offering you ICTQual AutoCAD 2D-3D course. The AutoCAD 2D-3D course is a comprehensive learning program designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to proficiently use AutoCAD software for both 2D and 3D drafting and design tasks. AutoCAD is a leading computer-aided design (CAD) software widely used by architects, engineers, designers, and drafters to create precise technical drawings, schematics, and models for various industries. In this course, participants will delve into the core functionalities of AutoCAD, learning how to create accurate and detailed 2D drawings such as floor plans, elevations, and section views. They will explore essential tools and techniques for drawing, editing, and dimensioning 2D geometry, as well as organizing drawing elements using layers and blocks. Additionally, the course will cover the transition from 2D to 3D modeling in AutoCAD, allowing participants to create three-dimensional models of objects, structures, and components. They will learn how to use advanced modeling tools to extrude, revolve, and loft 2D shapes into 3D forms, as well as apply materials, textures, and lighting to enhance visual realism. Throughout the course, participants will engage in hands-on exercises and projects to apply their newfound skills in practical scenarios, reinforcing their understanding of AutoCAD's capabilities and workflows. By the end of the course, participants will have the confidence and proficiency to create both 2D drawings and 3D models using AutoCAD, enabling them to pursue careers in architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and other related fields. Entry requirements. Participants should have a basic understanding of computer operations, including file management, software installation, and navigation of the operating system. While not mandatory, prior exposure to the AutoCAD interface or other CAD software would be beneficial for participants to grasp the concepts and tools more quickly. A good command of the English language is required as instructions, course materials, and communication with instructors may be conducted in English. Study units. Introduction to AutoCAD, 2D Drawing Fundamentals, Advanced 2D Drawing Techniques, Introduction to 3D Modeling, Advanced 3D Modeling, 3D Rendering and Visualization, Introduction to Parametric Design. Future Progression. Advanced AutoCAD courses, certification programs, specialized CAD software training, career advancement, freelancing and consulting, continued learning and skill development. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.